We start this edition of the news with the latest on the key meet that will be held on the 24th of June between the Prime Minister and political leaders from the Union Territories. Sources have now told Republic what is most likely to be discussed in the meet. Issues will include the roadmap ahead for Jammu and Kashmir, the political situation in the Union Territory and the statehood process for Jammu and Kashmir as well. Remember, the delimitation process is almost over. We're given to understand on the 24th of June, essentially, the discussion one would be whether at all a special status would be given to Jammu and Kashmir or not. And also statehood. Restoration of statehood is one of the key areas of concern. Now, whether that is going to happen or not, one would perhaps get some clear idea on 24th of June. But certainly, this is a welcome move given the fact that after the abrogation of Article 370, this perhaps is the first big political move that one essentially looking at, something that has been welcomed by Kashmir-based politicians, including Mehbooba Mufti, who just tweeted a short while some time back saying that she certainly welcomes this entire move. Apart from that, also we're given to understand that Farooq Abdullah and other representatives of the Gupkar gang perhaps would be here in the national capital to represent all the other leaders. Let me try and go across to our senior executive editor Niranjan, who's joining us on the phone line. Niranjan, just put this into perspective. A key political move that we are essentially looking at the national capital ahead of the 24th June crucial meeting that is going to take place. Many would say that the landscape of the political arena perhaps would change after that particular meet.
Yes, what we're also hearing right now, Shawan, is about what could be expected from this particular meeting. Some of the details that we have received from our team of what the government really has in mind as far as this entire engagement with these political parties are concerned. They've called 14 political leaders. We are being told that the Prime Minister's meeting with the Jammu and Kashmir parties will deliberate on the roadmap of Kashmir, something that he echoed from the ramparts of the Red Fort when he spoke about and made a mention of the statehood that he said would be restored soon. Now, we are told that the centre would discuss the Kashmir political process with the Jammu and Kashmir leaders. And the statehood issue itself will be discussed post the delimitation, which we understand is already underway. And the centre is awaiting the delimitation report to kickstart the statehood process in Jammu and Kashmir, which of course now is a Union Territory. We are being told from our sources that the Prime Minister has assured full statehood for Jammu and Kashmir, and that is something that he had committed to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and that will happen soon. It will be a reality. And a timeline for the political process of the statehood could be discussed in this meeting on the 24th. Some of them, of course, are not willing to be a part of this meeting for some very, very strange reasons. For example, Mehbooba Mufti, we are told to skip that meeting altogether, even though their complaint has been that the political process is not on and that it must kick off because that's what the people of Jammu and Kashmir want. So the government's commitment is to ensure that the statehood is returned and that democracy is back and handed back, rather is handed back to the people in Jammu and Kashmir. So let's see where this goes. But I think there's a plan, there's a map that they've charted out, and I think we should have some more clarity on the 24th. We are hearing for now that Farooq Abdullah may be a part of that talk, though who else will be there with him is yet to be seen. Handing it back to you for now.
Thank you very much, Niranjan, for putting this into perspective.
Welcome move. If PM has called the meeting, all parties should participate in that and see what are the options and what is the way ahead in the given situation, especially since there is no more stone pelting happening there. There is no more slogans being chanted, anti-India slogans being chanted after the Friday namaz. So things are in control, and then even the terrorism is also on decline. And the number of incidents which happened last year, much less number has happened this year. So there are options that some political process should start. And earlier also, when Panchayat elections happened and the district elections happened, that helped the process of administration and economy to go down. And then since the Prime Minister has already allocated funds directly to Panchayat, this also had happened. This also has led to democratic process to go down to the village Panchayat level. So the next process can be the state level, and then in that process, let all parties come forward and participate in that, and then give their suggestion to the Prime Minister.
आप सब जानते हैं कि दिल्ली में जम्मू कश्मीर के हवाले से जम्मू कश्मीर की पार्टीज़ को लेके एक ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई गई है 24 तारीख को। पीपल्स डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी की सदर मोहतरमा महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा को इस मीटिंग में शिरकत करने के लिए पहले तो टेलीफोनिकली आगाह किया गया और उसके बाद एक फॉर्मल इनविटेशन भी एक्सटेंड किया गया, जैसा कि बाकी कई पार्टी के लीडरान को भी ये इनविटेशन मौसूल हुए। इस सिलसिले में इस मीटिंग को लेके क्या कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन होना चाहिए, इस चीज़ को डिस्कस करने के लिए आज पीपल्स डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी की जो सबसे हाईएस्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग बॉडी है, जिसे हम पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी कहते हैं, उसकी एक मीटिंग बुलाई गई, जिसको पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट और फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा ने चेयर किया। इस मीटिंग में सारे जो पीएसी के मेंबरान हैं उन्होंने शिरकत की, जम्मू से भी कश्मीर से भी, और इस मसले को, इस इनविटेशन को, इस मीटिंग को थ्रेडबेयर डिस्कस किया गया। सारे मेंबरान ने अपनी अपनी सजेशंस दी और मीटिंग के इख्तिताम में ये डिसाइड हुआ कि इस हवाले से जो भी फाइनल डिसीजन होगा वो महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा को सारी लीडरशिप ने, पीएसी के जितने मेंबर्स हैं, उन्होंने पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा को ऑथराइज़ किया कि वो इस पे फाइनल डिसीजन लें और उन्हीं का डिसीजन फाइनल होगा। मैं आपको ये भी बताता चलूँ कि 2 दिन बाद पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुपका डिक्लेरेशन की एक मीटिंग होनी है। उसमें भी इस मसले को डिस्कस किया जाएगा। जो पीएजीडी के अलग अलग मेंबरान हैं वो अपनी उस पर राय देंगे और वहाँ पे भी एक लाहे अमल क्या होना चाहिए वो डिस्कस किया जाएगा और उसके बाद ही कोई फ़ैसला लिया जाएगा।